The next feature I'm going to work on is the winners, where I can add winners, but only one winner of each type and only 2 winners in total. So that means I can have a cat and a dog be a winner, but I cannot have 2 cats be a winner, and I cannot have a cat and a dog and a dragon be a winner. This feels quite complicated, but I know that if I follow the same structure as I did with the stars, then I should be, if not home free, then at least it should help me quite a bit. So first I'm going to make a plan, and I'm going to be inspired a lot from the star plan and make the winners plan here. I'm still going to remember the model view controller. So first I'm going to build a model, and I'm going to add a winner status to the animal. And then I'm going directly to the view, and the same thing as last, I'm going to add visible winners fixed values, so that I'm just going to hard code that either none of the animals are winners or all of them are, just to see that it is that I can show a winner in the list. And then I'm going to get the winner status from the model and display that in the list. So the exact same thing I'm going through as with stars. First add it to the model, then add some fixed values in the list, and then make them dynamic so that the list is updated from the model. And then we get to the controller. And first I'm going to cheat and just make a fake winners, where I'm going to add a toggle. Add a toggle button to so that I can make each animal a winner. So I start with just adding. I can make them all winners, and I can make them all not winners, exactly like the stars. So I don't check the rules. I just want to actually be able to control it and make them winners or not winners. And then I'm going to design the logic for the rules. And here I probably have to get to do some drawing because it feels a bit complicated. I can only have 2, and they must be of different types. So what happens if I select a third one, or what happens if I select a second one that is of the same type or different type? Yeah. Oh, I'm already getting confused. So after that, then I'm going to implement the logic with functions, with lots of basic functions that I can call manually in the console, and so that I can step slowly through this without the user interface getting in the way. And once that works, then add user interface to logic, and that would include a view again, some view, hard-coded, some hard-coded dialog boxes, and after that some dynamic dialog boxes. What I'm saying here is that first I want just to show a dialog box with some buttons that I can click, and then I want to add some dynamicism so that I can say, okay, what should be removed, what shouldn't. I'm not really sure about what goes on here. I probably have to rework that part of the plan. But at least now I'm ready. So I'm going to git add the plan and git commit planning 4 winners. Now I'm ready to code it. Or at least ready to start coding it.